Hello, everybody. My name's Anna, and I'm here to present this March workshop, and it's going to be about exploring the path to self-regulation, and we're going to learn about social-emotional learning. So throughout this, we're going to learn how to identify our emotions and how to deal with them. First, we want to start by understanding our emotions. Our emotions affect our body, thoughts, and actions. They can show up, anxiety can show up through heart rate or heavy breathing or tension throughout your body. And these are just signals that tell us that our emotions need attention. Emotional awareness is the understanding that feelings are not the same as our actions. The way we feel does not have to impact the way we act. You can feel anxiety without letting it control the way you behave. And that's where self-regulation comes in. And that's where we're going to learn today how to tolerate and manage those emotions when they come up. So the exercises we're going to go over today are stop, think, go, breathing regulation, and body regulation exercises. For this first one, it's called stop, think, go. Whenever this happens, I want you guys to imagine if you are in a time where you are feeling anxious or overwhelmed, I want you guys to imagine a traffic light. And whenever you imagine that traffic light, you need to think of red, yellow, and green. And so the first one, you need to stop and pause and realize you are feeling that emotion, realize I'm feeling anxious, I'm feeling overwhelmed. And then you need to think about the best options. So this may be, I'm nervous for a test. Should I skip the class or should I study for a little bit beforehand? Or should I just go in there and try my best? So once you think through those options, then you can do the green, which is go. And that's where you make the healthiest choice. This is just that way you can slow down your emotions before acting. Breathing regulation, we're going to go over deep breathing and square breathing. For deep breathing, I want you to place one hand on your chest and one on your stomach. We're going to breathe in through our nose and let our stomachs rise, and then breathe out through our mouths and let your stomachs fall while your chest stays mostly still. So with this, I would breathe in for about 8 seconds, hold, breathe out. So this is where square breathing comes into hand. In this scenario, we're going to do holding for 4 seconds. Inhale, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. And this is a really helpful image because whenever you start to feel anxious or overwhelmed, you can just imagine a square in your mind and kind of trace it with your finger, or you can hold on your stomach and your chest like we've talked about before. And we're going to do this together. So we are going to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold again for 4 seconds. So we're going to inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. And so the idea with this is that whenever we get overwhelmed, some of the body signs that we may have is tightness in the chest or heavy breathing. So this is a way that we can slow our breathing down so that way we can think about our actions. Next, we're going to move from breathing to bodies. So we're going to do body regulation. This is going to talk about muscle tension and release and just awareness of your body. So for this first exercise, the idea is that we are going to tighten our muscles for a certain amount of time and then release them. So for this one, we're going to do about 10 seconds for each. So we'll do feet and legs for 10 seconds, hands and arms for 10 seconds, shoulders and face for 10 seconds, and full body tension for 10 seconds. So we're going to tighten our legs and our feet for 10 seconds, starting now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, now we're just going to leave those loose and focus on our hands and our arms. We're going to hold it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Third, we're going to raise our shoulders and make them very tight and try to tighten your face muscles if you can. You might look a little silly. We're going to do this for 10 seconds. We're going to hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. And so now we're going to do all the parts all together, and we're going to tense them for 10 seconds just like we have been doing. We're going to start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. So at this point, you should start to recognize that your body has kind of loosened up a little bit. And that's what tightening and loosening your muscles do, where you don't feel the tension in your body that you usually would with stress and anxiety. So this is a grounding technique that can be kind of hard to remember, but if you can remember it, it's really good. So this one, it's called the 5-4-3 grounding technique. And so you're going to want to name 5 things you can see around you, 4 things you notice you can physically feel, 3 different sounds, 2 smells, and 1 taste. This typically just gets you more aware of your body and your surroundings, so that way you can kind of realize I am safe and I can do this. So the main thing with anxiety is that our thoughts influence our emotions, which then influence our behavior. So we need to reframe those thoughts. Anxiety thoughts can be reframed. So we can go from saying, I can't handle this, to this is hard, but I can manage it. Or something bad will happen, to I'm safe right now. So starting just to notice some of the positives that are going on, or some of the things that you can do to help the situation, rather than the things you cannot do. So this is our last one. We're going to put it all together. We're going to do our breathing exercises. We're going to do the square breathing for about 20 seconds. Then we are going to do full body muscle tension for 10 seconds. And then at the end, we're going to do a mind activity where I want you guys to tell each other that you're safe where you're at, kind of get your mind going on the situation and realize the things you can do, the things you can't do, and just set yourself up for a good day. So we're going to start. So at first, we're going to do square breathing. So I want you guys to inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do the body tension. So I want you guys to tense your body for the next 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready, release. And now tell yourself, I'm safe. I can do it. Reframe those anxious thoughts. Towards the end. If you have any questions, this is where you can submit feedback. The end.